Hi kitchen friends! Welcome to Jules Flavor Bliss. And in today's episode, I'll be sharing with you another international dessert. If you enjoyed the last time Christmas dinner dessert, which is the pavlova, that is the Australian famous dessert. How about a Swedish dessert? And that is the Swedish Almondy or almond cake, which is very much famous in most of the IKEA store around the world. And it is just so easy. Come on, join me in my kitchen and let's get baking. Let's start by beating the egg whites and make sure all our utensils are clean and grease-free. And we start with a very slow speed just to break up the egg whites. Then we will increase it to a medium speed. Then we'll add the cream of tartar. Cream of tartar will help the structure of the egg whites to be strong. Then add a little salt to balance the sweetness. Now we'll incorporate sugar gradually. And this is the stage we are looking for, the stiff, thick stage. Then we'll add a little vanilla. And we continue folding. And now we'll start incorporating the ground toasted almonds. And when all the ingredients are well incorporated, we are going to fill our pastry bag. Then we'll pipe the egg white mixture, following the round shape drawn under our parchment paper. Remember that it's not important to be perfect or too neat and too smooth. Just do not stress yourself. Let's just make it the rustic way. And this is our first wafer. And for the second wafer, how about we make it freehand without using any tip or pastry bag. We just dump all the egg whites on the parchment paper and then we smooth it out. It is that easy. Don't stress yourself about making it too perfect. Let's now pop them into our preheated oven. Meanwhile, let's now prepare our custard buttercream. And the very first thing to do is we simmer the cream. Then combine the sugar to the egg yolk. Then we'll add a little milk to the egg yolk mixture. Just a little or else it will curdle. and this method is called tempering. Then we'll mix the egg yolk mixture to the hot milk and we'll continue whisking it. At this point, I think we need to adjust the thickness or the consistency of our custard. So we'll be adding a teaspoon of cornstarch. So always remember, when adding another component, do not add it directly. We'll continue to mix until the mixture reaches a consistency of a mayonnaise. Then we'll add vanilla extract to this mixture. Small bowl to let it cool, but be sure to cover it with a cling wrap on the top to prevent it from forming a skin. Now we cream the butter until it is very light and fluffy. At this point, we start to incorporate the custard. As we assemble the cake, we will spread the first layer with the custard buttercream. Then we'll top it with the second wafer. Then we'll do the same process. Then we'll cover the whole cake with the custard buttercream. And no need to be stressed if you could not smooth the cake well. Anyway, we will top it with the toasted almond flake. So don't worry if it's not so smooth. And with the help of the almond flakes, we covered the imperfections of the cake. Ta-da! Now, the very fun part is tasting the ikea's's most famous almond cake, baked right in your own kitchen. And as I have noticed, maybe for the next time, we should add another 2 more egg whites so that we could have a much more thicker wafer. But this is So good, I promise you. This is to die for. You will really love this almond cake. I hope you will try this on your New Year's Eve dinner dessert cake. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe. Please stay tuned and join me again next week for another easy and yummy recipes. Thanks for watching. Stay well. God bless. Bye. Happy New Year!